Look at this. If you add these two numbers, it's pretend is this stone based on these two stones. Why I decided to start here? Because all numbers given. If you look over there, these three stones, this given, this not given. I want to find pattern. Step number one, what I'm doing. 198 plus 263. And after addition, I will get 461. How to get this one? If I subtract 15, I'll get 446.
Where did you get 15 from?
You can do differently. Look at this. 461 minus 446 is 15. I'm looking how to, when I add these two numbers, how to get this number. Add them up and subtract 15. Let me try this one. Step number 2. If we add 446 plus 679, after addition, okay, you get 1125. And my pattern is subtract 15. If I subtract 15, I get 1110. So now my hypothesis proved the total of two numbers below, these two numbers below. If I add them up, I get this number. If I subtract 15. If I get addition of these two numbers and subtract 15, I get this number. Now look at this of these three numbers. How to get B? B equals 679 plus 681. And don't forget, subtract 15. If you add them up, I got 360, 1360. And subtract 15, I got 1345. And this is B equals 1345. Now, students, look at this. I have two numbers beneath. How to get A? This is step number 3. Step number 4. 1110 plus 1345. If I add them up, I got 2455. And according to this pattern, I subtract 15. Here, subtract 15, I get 2440. So A equals to 2440. And B equals 1345. So there are two answers. So in many cases, you have the same situation with different numbers. Two below, if you add them up and add something with this, you get one on the top. This was problem number 2. Who has questions about this? Ask me. I step back.
I have a question.
Yes, Nicole.
Where do you get 15 from?
Oh, good question. Look at this. If I get these two numbers together, if I add them up, I get 461. Is it equals to 446? No.
Yeah. No. Oh.
And how much is different? I found delta difference. So I got 461 and subtract my target, which is 446. I found this delta equals to 15. And other way around, if I add them up, get some number, subtract 15, I get this one. It's like, hey, you buying, you get to the best school, you went to with your parents to buy some presents, and you see how much more you're supposed to get from your wallet to buy particular the same situation. I found how much more I need, 15. So after that, from each of these, I subtracted 15. And is it possible to start from not from this point? Start from this point? Yes. How to do this? Add this plus this minus 15, you get this one. After that, add this plus this minus 15, you get this one. Add this plus this minus 15, you get this one. Any side is great. Only take consideration if you have in the test, logic test for your school, sometimes they give you, not sometimes, very often they give you a test which show which class you go, advanced class or regular class. Okay, we name it aptitude test. In aptitude test, they give any question like this, just different numbers. Okay. Or assessment test, sometimes they name. Depends on school. Well, if you don't have if you have a question, ask me. Another problem, also very famous problem. We name it a parking lot problem. You know, parking lot. When your parents drive a car and they park, and this is big building, and usually you have some lines. Every line has some numbers, right? And imagine this situation. Problem number 3, parking lot.